In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion charts. If you've ever wanted to turn your tasks, goals, habits, or expense data into clear visuals, this walkthrough will guide you from a plain database to a chart you can use for decisions, planning, and reports. Start by opening the Notion page that contains the database you want to visualize. Make sure your properties are set up with the right types, like dates for timelines, numbers for amounts or hours, and select or status properties for categories. The better your data is structured, the more meaningful your chart will be. At the top of your database, click Add a View, choose Chart as the view type, and give it a descriptive name so you can find it later. Think of this as creating a lens on your data rather than a new database, so nothing is duplicated or moved. Next, pick the chart type that suits your goal. Use a bar chart to compare values across categories like tasks by status or spending by category. Choose a line chart to track trends over time, such as progress across weeks or monthly totals. Select a pie chart when you need to show proportions, like the share of tasks in each priority level. Set your x-axis by choosing what to group by. Pick status to see how many items are not started, in progress, or done. Choose category to compare types of work or spending. If you select date, Notion will organize your data by time periods, which is perfect for tracking change. Priority works well when you want to visualize workload distribution. Then define the y-axis, which is your measure. You can count pages to see how many items fall into each group, or choose a number property to show a sum or an average, such as total hours, expenses, or an average progress score. Pick the measure that answers the question you have. Apply filters to focus your view. Use a dynamic time filter like this week to keep the chart current. Exclude archived or completed items if you only care about active work. You can also filter by category or status to narrow the story your chart tells. Customize the chart for clarity. Switch between stacked and grouped bars to compare totals or individual segments. Adjust the date range to daily, weekly, or monthly for the right level of detail. Sort your data so the most important categories or the latest time periods appear first. Once you're happy, save the view. Your chart will update automatically as your database changes. You can duplicate it to create variations, add it to dashboards for quick access, and use it in reviews and reports. And that's it. If this was helpful, remember to like and subscribe for more Notion tips and tutorials.